Hello everyone, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we have one very interesting algebraic problem. X square plus y square plus xy equal to 0. Then we have to evaluate x plus y over x raised to the power 35 over 2 plus x plus y over y raised to the power 35 over 2. So let's get started by considering our denominators cannot be 0. So it is given in the problem x cannot be 0 and y cannot be 0. Now we will consider our required expression equal to E. Now I can write our expression E equal to 1 plus y over x whole power is 35 over 2 plus x over y plus 1 whole power is 35 over 2. Now we will consider our given equation. So I can write our equation x square plus y square plus xy equal to 0. Now we will divide both sides by y square. This side also we will divide by y square. So LHS will become x square over y square plus y square over y square. We can write 1 plus xy over y square will be x over y. RHS will be 0. Now x square over y square is x over y whole square. So I will write here x over y whole square plus x over y plus 1 equal to 0. Now let us assume x over y equal to suppose m. So I can write our equation m square plus m plus 1 equal to 0. Now equation is quadratic. We are going to apply quadratic formula. If I will write, then we have to write minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. Let's apply all the values. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 1 as per our quadratic equation. So I will write minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square minus 4 times 1 over 2 times 1. This will give us minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 4 minus 3 over 2. Now we know that square root of minus 1 is complex number I. So I can write m will be minus 1 plus minus I square root 3 over 2 equal to minus 1 plus minus I square root 3 over 2. Or we can write m equal to x over y. This was our substitution equal to minus 1 plus I root 3 over 2 minus 1 minus I root 3 over 2. Now if you remember, these roots are cube roots of unity also. So I can write here omega and omega square or omega square and omega. So I am considering m equal to x over y equal to omega and omega square. So I will consider here if x over y is omega, then y over x will be 1 over omega. If I will multiply numerator and denominator by omega square, then we will be getting omega square over omega cube. Now we have two related properties. If I will write property number 1, 1 plus omega square equal to 0. And property number 2 is omega cube equal to 1. Now here we are having in the denominator omega cube. So we can write denominator 1. Value will be equal to omega square. So for x over y omega, y over x will be omega square. Let's calculate our required expression E. I will write our expression once. E equal to y over x plus 1 whole power 35 over 2 plus x over y plus 1 whole power is 35 over 2. Now let us plug in x over y is equal to omega. So I will write expression E equal to omega square plus 1 whole power is 35 over 2 plus omega plus 1 whole power is 35 over 2. Now we know that 1 plus omega square, if this is equal to 0, then 1 plus omega will be equal to minus omega square, and 1 plus omega square will be minus omega. So I will write expression E here. Minus omega whole power 35 over 2 plus minus omega square whole power 35 over 2. Let me write our expression here. So I will write our expression E will be equal to minus 1 raised to the power 35 over 2 times omega raised to the power 35 over 2 plus minus 1 raised to the power 35 over 2 times omega square raised to the power 35 over 2. Now I will take minus 1 raised to the power 35 over 2 common out. So here we will be writing omega power 35 over 2 plus omega square power 35 over 2. Now we will calculate the value of minus 1 raised to the power 35 over 2. So let me write here power 35 over 2, which we can write minus 1 power is half, and then we will put whole power 35. Now this is equal to the square root of minus 1 whole power is 35. The square root of minus 1 is complex number I. So I power 35. This will be equal to I power 34 plus 1 will be equal to I power 34 times I will be equal to I square whole power 17 times I. I square is negative 1. So we'll write minus 1 raised to the power 17 times I. Minus 1 with odd power is minus 1. So I will write minus 1 times I. So this value will come out minus I. So in place of negative 1 raised to the power 35 over 2, here we are going to write minus I. In the bracket, we are having omega power 35 over 2 plus omega square power 35 over 2. Let me write here minus I in the bracket omega power 35 over 2 plus omega square power 35 over 2 will be equal to minus I. In this bracket, we will be writing omega power 35 over 2 plus these two will be multiplied using exponent law. So we will be writing omega power 35. Now we know that omega cube is 1. Now I will multiply both sides by omega. So I can write omega power 4 will be equal to omega. So in place of omega, we can write omega power 4. So I can write E will be equal to minus I in bracket omega power 4, and then I will put power 35 over 2 plus omega power 35. This will be equal to minus I. In the bracket we will write 4 over 2 is 2, so I can write omega power 70 plus omega power 35. Now we can split 70 and 35 as minus I. In the bracket I will write omega 69 times omega power 1. So I can write omega cube raised to the power 23. This is omega power 69 times omega plus omega power 35. I will write 33 plus 2. So I can write omega cube whole power 11 times omega square. Now we know that omega cube equal to 1. So this is equal to minus I. This is 1 power 23, so 1 times omega plus 1 power 11, so 1 times omega square. So overall we are getting minus I in the bracket omega plus omega square. Omega plus omega square is negative 1. So we will write minus I times minus 1. So our final answer becomes I. Expression value will be equal to complex number I. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.